I will start a little bit before Augury. When I was doing my bachelor's, I was working for one of the larger technological companies in Israel in a role that's mostly around hardware and firmware development. I worked there for 2.5 years, and while I enjoyed working there, I liked my teammates. It really made it clear for me that that was not the career path that I wanted for myself. First of all, the whole hardware firmware field that I was involved in, I didn't find it creative enough for me, and I needed something a little bit more far-reaching. And working for a big company also has its drawbacks in that you're very focused on a specific task, and you don't have a lot of room to explore or to contribute beyond the specific role that you're given. Basically, I heard about Augury from 3 or 4 sources, and even though it was an up-and-coming company and it was pretty small at the time, it really stuck out as somewhere that I want to be. And I think I learned a lot about how teams operate and how do good teams operate. That it's not just about having the strong people and having the right people, it's having the right composition of the team, having people that complement each other, having a diverse team, not just in their professional backgrounds, but in their personal backgrounds, in their approaches and their creativity. And that really helps elevate our team capabilities to a level that one single very capable person wouldn't be able to do.